if you're looking to disable automatic restrictions on Cash App, follow these straightforward steps to manage your account settings effectively. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the home screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage various options. Step 3. Access Privacy and Security. Scroll down to find the Privacy and Security section. Here, you will find options related to account restrictions and security settings. Step 4. Adjust restriction settings. Look for the option that mentions automatic restrictions. Toggle the setting to disable automatic restrictions. Make sure to read any warnings or information provided. Step 5. Save changes. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you can successfully disable automatic restrictions on your Cash App account. Always remember to review your account settings regularly to maintain optimal security and functionality.